You be tripping, little mommy. Thinking that I ain't digging you.
Say trip, baby.
Cause I'm a fly guy. Is that why you feel like my standards so high? Hold up, wait. That's some confidence. I love a fucking ratchet bitch. Nasty ass thought hoe that just got fucked and now she wanna fuck me too. That shit turn a nigga on. Ready to see a bitch with no thong. She ain't got no high school diploma. The more she plays stupid, the more she give me a bone. You waking my dick up, look what you done did now. We gotta call away there, take it to the ground. Oh yeah, you want the fucking crown? I'ma give you a picture of this dick for your pound. The homegirls wanna fuck me too, they came through in they PJs. All them bitches, I had to show it to go immediately. Right now, take them clothes off, bitch, and you know what I want.
What you
want everything from the back and the front. Give me right now, open up. Don't baby, fucking cooking in no clothes. She cooking with a shirt with no panties on. No bottoms either, just ass out. Goddamn, dick in her mouth, suck it. She love doing that. Why, nigga? Having an asthma attack. Straight from the chest, heart beating fast. Smoking on this grass while I'm gripping her ass. She wanna smoke whatever, it don't even matter to the bitch. She gon' smoke whatever and put it all in, and then takes more than a tip. That's my ratchet bitch, to the beginning to the end. My ratchet bitch is gonna win. My ratchet bitch does not give a fuck. She stay turned up, pistol in her tuck. If she gotta turn up, you know she ready to cut. Love arguing. When she wants some dick, that's the only time she argue. She lay around, sleep, eat, and get fucked all day. Don't even give a fuck what she gotta say. Nigga, it don't matter. She made her choice. She only obey me, superstar like Floyd. I love a real bitch, straight to the point, ratchet. I love a bad bitch, straight to the point, ratchet. I love a real bitch, straight to the point, ratchet. I love a bad bitch, confidence, her ass thick. But if it's not bad on her pics, but in person she ratchet. I already know that shit, baby, fall back, bitch. She bad on her pics, but in person she ratchet. I already know that shit, that's something I gotta have it. Gotta have it, cause she ratchet. She ratchet. I gotta have it, cause she ratchet. You know I love you. The real you. Sweatpants, hair tie, Drizzy Drake. Ooh, shit, baby. Thick as fuck, take a pic, even if you ain't. Yo, nigga, ratchet too. Any ready turn up through the roof? Yo, nigga, ratchet too. Any ready to turn up, way over you. Choppers hidden in the tuck, I already did my bid. I can't go back to that shit. What we talking about that bid? Bitch, take a pencil, you take a fucking choice. You know who it is when I'm screaming with this voice. Oh yeah, I'm losing poise. Nigga, I'm on with them toys. Niggas ain't playing no games. Niggas ready to lame. Nigga, if you fucking with me or my bitch, you know what it is. We just doing us, don't give a fuck. Got a lick, run it up, so baby. Shit, nigga, you know what it is and what time it is too. Me and my bitch going through the roof. Bring her to my spot and prove everything, turn it out all the way up, don't no doubt. Still doing this shit smart like we young, but we from the start. With everything, with that, we got niggas know no poppin'. Niggas know still poppin'. Niggas know still shoutin'. Niggas know no doubtin'. If you think I'm a fucking fail, you know I'm going straight to the top. The hole at the top of the hill. Watch California ratchet, nigga. What? I'm project. Shut the fuck up. I'm just hood as fuck. Okay, don't make me take it to the east. That's that side. West, lil' homie. West LA raised me. Niggas know I got homies everywhere. Niggas know they ain't fucking with me and they don't really care. But I'm home because they ain't stopping my flow. If a nigga like me get touched, oh yeah, the earth shaking, I'm bucking one. Nigga, earthquake, thundering, sitting shit upside down. Dark turn to night and night turn to never again now. Niggas ain't coming shit round. Niggas ain't doing shit down this way because I'm on and I got that S-Play. Shit, I ain't gonna talk about that way, nigga. We just gonna do it in your face. Take everything, leave, run away. Leave a nigga on loops. You already know niggas hoops. And I'm ready for all that bullshit as long as it ain't versus me or you. I go to war for my niggas. And I go to war for my bad bitches too. I go to war for all truth. Oh yeah, we turned up today and forevermore. Yeah, might be a little ratchet. That don't excuse my realness. I'm coming like DJ Quick. Yeah, nigga, really got them own bars. Really spitting my own shit. Really taking my shit far. Nigga on a solo. Nigga don't need no help. If I had a bad bitch though, she'll be buckling my belt. Or I'm buttoning and shit. I'm buttoning nigga clothes. Take a nigga shirt off and then bitch, give me all. You already know I'm the only nigga who call her a bitch. Even though she ratchet as shit. So am I. She gon' eat some cereal outside. She gon' walk to the mailbox in her flip-flop. She gon' wear the robe about anywhere she wanna go. Comfortable and head to toe. Nigga, you already know that's my motherfucking toe. That matters is the proof. What I'm really doing with my actions. You already know I'm adapting to anything. I love the nights, the mood swing. Just from my appearance, they worried about that. Nah, nigga, grindy face all day. Don't give a fuck what anybody gotta say. I'm doing me. If I was to get fresh, so it's like, whoa, this is nigga right there from head to toe. You don't know, but now you niggas do. So shut the fuck up before I come through. And you know when I come through, niggas getting spooked. Stay up off my way, baby, that includes you. Oh, shit, niggas know when I'm on my level and I'm pissed off. It's going down, 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 down from the bottom. Oh shit, that's the mud. Nigga got it from the bottom. Make it to the top.